It's Clovis, right?
Yeah.
We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a new shutoff valve. The existing gate valve had failed. For whatever reason, the nut that holds down the packing nut in place had popped up and water was spraying everywhere in here, and that kind of stuff happens on the older valves. So they had a replacement valve. Homeowner had a replacement valve, a gate valve, iron pipe thread, and we just went ahead and put in a ball valve instead. So what's nice about these is you don't have the same problems going on with the brass stem, the brass disc in and out, multi-turn. It's simply you just take this valve and quarter turn off and quarter turn on. And we have maybe throughout 30 years of plumbing had one fail, and then the rest no leaking. It's just, you know, it's pretty bulletproof. So additionally, if you can see copper stubbed out there, at least they had a copper adapter on, so you could thread on a new valve instead of trying to solder off the old valve or unsweat the old valve. And so we just went ahead and used an iron pipe. I'm going to check this real quick just to make sure. Okay, no water back there. That's good. We just put this valve on here because the copper adapter there is nice because you can just thread a new valve on there if you need to change this for whatever reason. But this should last you for the duration of the home. Up in front, we got a brass nipple. It's a 3/4 by 1.5 inch, and so that flows real well. That does not scale over. It does not break down. It doesn't accumulate the calcium deposits on the inside, so it flows really well. Down to a stainless steel connector, and these are the largest in the industry. It's a Falcon stainless steel connector, 3/4 by 18 or 3/4 by 15 from Falcon stainless steel, and so full 0.725 inside diameter. So we like these. They're ultra flexible. You could take these out and straighten them out and then bend them again over and over again. That's what I like about these supply lines. Down to the existing nipple, we usually like to put a brass coupling and nipple down here because of the heat trap causes a little conflict between the gasket and the nut there. We filed it down flatter just a little bit, put some lube on both ends of this supply line, got it tightened down, and we've checked it. We do ask that you would monitor these even after we go away. You know, occasionally, like with all of your plumbing, you know, you're looking for water. You want to make sure that there's not even a hint. As you come around the bottom of this, you shouldn't see even a glisten on your finger at all. There should be zero moisture. Even just a hint, that's the beginning of something. Give us a call. We'll come back out and take care of it right away. Outside of that, this installation is done.